Tired of dying to lag in Fortnite? Now Central before you even see the enemy. First, head over to Exitlag's website and create an account if you don't already have one. They usually have a free trial period, so you can test it out risk-free. Click the Create Account button and follow the steps. Once you've created your account and logged in, download and install the Exitlag application. Open the application after it finished installing. In the Exitlag search bar, type in Fortnite. Once you see Fortnite appear in the list, click on it to select it. Now, this is the crucial part. You'll see a list of servers. For the region option, manually select servers that are closest to an A Central, like Dallas, Chicago, or Iowa. Experiment to see which one gives you the best ping. After you've selected your preferred A Central region servers, click the Optimize button. Exitlag will now work its magic, routing your connection through its optimized network. Now, launch Fortnite and jump into a game. You should immediately notice a significant improvement in your ping and a reduction in lag. Remember to tweak your server selection within Exitlag to find the optimal configuration for your connection and location. Good luck and get those victory royales.